Oh, summer. It sounds good right now after what we just experienced, doesn't it? Grilling out, lawns being mowed, and pools opening. These are some of the things we expect with summer.
Recycle bin, and Oscar will be in the trash can. Which can do I get in? Hazardous material? Press and hold it. Yummy in here. Where do you get your food at, though? So we ordered all of our food on these little kiosks, and then we just pick a number, enter the number in, pay, and they bring it to us. And that way we avoid this massive line back here. The only problem is our refill cups. We can't do those from the kiosk, so if we want our free or reduced price refill, we still got to go stand in that massive line. So, yeah, it works, sort of.